Oh, here we are. It's the Christmas blizzard of 2009.
Not Christmas.
Here they go. This is like Hoth. Come on, Annie. I told you it'd be deep. Look at Julia. There goes Bailey. Go on, Anna. Kitty, get the big camera and take pictures. Go on. Go on, Anna. I'm coming right behind you. Go. It's deep, huh? Go on, Annie. Hey, stand up, guys. Go walk over to the street. Let's see if you can do it. Go walk to the street, honey. He threw a snowball at me. All right, go. Walk to the street.
Bailey's gonna go.
Come on. Oh, that is deep snow. And this isn't even it yet. This is just the beginning of the snow. Whoa! Katie, you should turn on our Christmas lights. Annie, come on.
That's why you need your hood on.
Come on, baby.
Do some snow angels.
Oh yeah, let's see some snow angels in the street.
Well, I can't take pictures
Come on, Anna. Come on, Annie.
Go, Anna, go with Daddy.
Anna, come on. I'm taking video. Come on, I'm going to put this on YouTube so Grandma and Grandpa can see it. Oh, make them snow angels. Come on. Emma, go ahead. Wow, I can't believe we're in the street. All right, go ahead, stand up. Let's see what that looks like. That's a good snow angel. Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa, Uncle CJ, Auntie Allie, and Kathy, and everyone in our and Uncle John, Freddie, and Lucy. I'm gonna put this on YouTube and say hi to them. What? Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, you got snow on your scarf. Wipe it off with your hand. Oh my gosh! Look at the snow fort they built for us already.
Yeah. Come on, let's go hit it.
Hey, Bailey. Wow, this is a lot of snow. Should probably start shoveling this snow. What do you think, Annie?
It's fun.
It's fun. This is more snow than you've ever seen in your life.
Hey, girls, smile at me.
Oh, Mommy's taking pictures. Let's smile.
Annie, go buy your pictures.
Come on, Bailey. Come here, Bailey. Come here. Come on. Come on, Bailey. Bailey's like hopping through the snow. Oh, Julie got stuck. All right, I'm gonna give the camera to Mommy.
I want to take a picture of it.
This is so deep.
Yeah, I need my boots.
Yeah, you do. I'm gonna go